We have all experienced a poor night's sleep, and what's exceptionally difficult is the morning that follows it. It becomes very difficult to start your day, and it becomes very, very difficult to go through the whole day with a very, very bad sleep. So when your body is not rested and your brain is not restored, it becomes very difficult to go through your day-to-day activities. Today I am going to teach you a simple and very, very powerful protocol that will help you cut some of the side effects of a poor night's sleep. Having said that, this is not a replacement of sleep. This is a mere support so that you can go through the day when you have had a poor night's sleep. We are talking about Yoga Nidra or non-sleep deep rest protocol. It is a very traditional yogic exercise, is exceptionally effective and powerful if done properly by following all the steps that I am going to explain to you. Through Yoga Nidra, you can not just get some of the rest that you need from your sleep, you can also experience a very, very deep relaxation, and it can also help you calm your mind. In Yoga Nidra, usually the body relaxes, but the mind is hyperactive. Now this part is very, very critical because I have seen many times people go into sleep while doing Yoga Nidra, and that more or less kills the purpose of Yoga Nidra. So it's very important that you stay awake and you allow your body to relax fully. So now we will start the Yoga Nidra protocol or non-sleep deep rest protocol. For this, you have to find a comfortable and silent space. Yoga Nidra is always practiced by lying down. So at this point, I would encourage you to lie down on your back. Keep your legs a bit apart, maybe with your shoulder width, and your hands slightly away from your body with your palms facing upwards. Once you take this position, slowly close your eyes. And now focus on your breathing. Make sure your breathing is not too shallow and not too deep. Just effortless, natural breathing. Follow the rhythm of your breath. And at this point, we need a sankalpa or intention. And the intention or sankalpa for this exercise is very simple. Keep on repeating in your mind, I am at ease, I am calm. I am at ease, I am calm. I am at ease, I am calm. Once you hold on to this intention, again bring your focus to breathing. Just simple, natural, effortless breathing. Feel the cool air as you breathe in. And also feel the warmth of air when you breathe out. Each time you breathe out, you become more and more relaxed. Imagine your consciousness like a sea. Each time you breathe in, a wave comes up. Each time you breathe out, the wave goes down. Now bring your attention to your whole body. Breathe in, breathe out. Natural, effortless breathing. Each time you breathe out, your body becomes more and more relaxed. And as your body becomes relaxed, you also feel as if you are getting heavier. Now bring all your attention at the center of your chest. And now slowly move it towards your face. Become aware of your head, your forehead, your eyes, your nose, your lips, your jaws. And as you become aware, also be aware of your breathing. Not too deep, not too shallow. Natural, effortless breathing. Now bring your attention to your neck, your spine, and your shoulders. Become aware of your palms and all the fingers. Become aware of the fingertips. Breathe in, breathe out. Now slowly bring your attention towards your forearms and elbows. And your biceps and triceps. Become aware of your stomach, your upper back, lower back, your hips, your thighs, your hamstrings. Become aware of your knees, your calf, your ankle, your foot, the foot sole, and all the toes. Now become aware of your whole body. Breathe in, breathe out. Natural, effortless breathing. Also, hold on to the intention. I am at ease, I am calm. I am at ease, I am calm. I am at ease, I am calm. Breathe in, breathe out. Be aware of your breathing. But keep your body relaxed. Keep your mind calm and composed. Keep your focus on your breathing. Breathe in, breathe out. Become aware of your body. And now prepare to open your eyes. Very gently open your eyes. Keep your body still. Become aware of your body. And now roll over towards your left and then slowly get up. Your Yoga Nidra, your NSDR protocol is now complete.